Most data analysts aren't good at modeling, but data scientists are. That's kind of the job, right? So yeah, so Vitor, you're on the right track in the sense that a data analyst can be a natural step, and the biggest part they need to add to their toolbox is the modeling side, right? Because most of your traditional like business analysts, data analysts, financial analysts, they only know the basics of modeling, not the deep stuff, right? Rosendo says, "Thank you for sharing. I would like to have I would like to have my mind be blown. I would like to have my mind be blown like that." Yeah, so I'm hoping it'll happen for you guys. I would love to inspire that in you guys. I don't know if it will or won't. I'm just sharing my experience. But yeah, but to me, it was really like transformative to learn about neural networks because it was like, oh, I get it. Like I totally get it now. Okay, like that was one of those moments for me. Yeah, Leo, that's exactly right. It's all under the data science umbrella. You won't model as a data. Yeah, that's exactly right. Yeah, so Vidar, Leo's giving you the same answer, right? That the difference is the modeling side. Yassine says situations where we need interpretability and where the problem could simply be solved using statistical methods. No need for complicating what is simply solved. Yeah, yeah, absolutely. Now keep in mind, Yassine, that doesn't mean that other models or machine learning models are more easily explained. There's plenty of machine learning models that are terrible at explainability, right? Yeah, so let's make sure we leave that clearly, guys. Neural networks are hard to explain, but the problem of explainability is not exclusive to neural networks. There's plenty of models that are terrible at explanations, right? So yeah, so it's not exclusive to neural networks, but it's definitely more common in neural networks. Just want to make sure we're all on the same track with that. Leo says this book is great. Yeah, yeah. Thank you, Leo. And I love this book. I mean, Leo is a longtime member, so he's heard me say plenty of good things about this book. But I mean, I recommended this book in my content plenty of times because it really helped me.